Hi, this is the REALME E11 Pro and I'll show you how to activate Quick Launch on this device. So first, open the settings, scroll down to the special features, click the Quick Launch, and now just use Quick Launch option just to access to the a couple of applications on our device. We should tap on the switcher, add the password of fingerprint, tap to I agree. You could use the 6-digit password or another method. I'll use the pattern, so enter twice your passcode or pattern. Just place your finger on the sensor and just press the sensor and lift. After that you'll feel a vibration. So tap to done. Now Quick Launch option successfully activated, and we could add here 5 of different applications to our menu. For example, now we have selected here the assistant and the notes. So let's, for example, also add here some not functions, just apps, the Snapchat, for example, or let's use the Google Chrome, and just let's add one more option, for example the YouTube Shorts. So you could tap to OK in the right upper corner, but if you want to change the positions of the icons, you should just hold it and just drag it. Just by this way you'll change their positions. Then just on the right upper corner, and now when we'll lock the device, you should just hold for a while the fingerprint scanner, and after that just to slide to one from this icon which option you wanna use. For example, let's use the Chrome. Just slide it to the Chrome, or just let's open the so just be careful, you should do it just not so slow. Fastly hold it and just with your finger select one from the options, for example the notes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.